The best investment strategy for 2025. If you want to build wealth and secure your financial future, investing is the key. With 2025 just around the corner, it is more important than ever to have a solid investment strategy. The right investment can help you grow your money, generate passive income, and even achieve financial freedom. In this video, I will share the best investment strategy for 2025. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, this strategy will help you maximize your returns while minimizing risk. Understanding the market trends. Before making any investment, it is important to understand where the market is heading. The global economy is constantly changing and new opportunities arise every year. In 2025, we will see a strong focus on technology, AI and artificial intelligence, green energy, and real estate. Inflation and interest rate will also play a key role in shaping investment strategy. Keeping an eye on economic trends will help you make informed decisions and avoid risk investment. A stock market investment. Investing in the stock market remains one of the best way to build wealth. In 2025, technology, AI, and renewable energy stock will continue to dominate. Companies involved in a cloud computing, cybersecurity, and electric vehicles are expected to see a strong growth. If you are a beginner, investing in index fund is a safe way to start. Index fund track the overall market and provide a steady returns over time. For those willing to take higher risk, individual stocks and ETFs focus on high growth industries can be a great option. Real estate investment. Real estate has always been a reliable investment, and 2025 will be no different. With growing demand of housing and commercial property, real estate can provide a stable returns and long-term wealth. Investing in rental property is a great way to generate passive income. If you do not have enough capital to buy property, real estate investment trust REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. The key to real estate investing is location. Research high growth cities and areas where property values are increasing. Cryptocurrency and blockchain investment. Cryptocurrency remains one of the most exciting investment opportunities. While it is highly volatile, it also has the potential for huge returns. In 2025, Bitcoins, Ethereum, and other top cryptocurrencies will continue to play a major role in the financial world. Apart from investing in coins, blockchain technology offer opportunity in decentralized finance, NFTs, and Web3 projects. However, it is important to do proper research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Investing in AI and automation. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide. Companies that are developing AI solutions, automation tools, and robotics will see massive growth. Investing in AI focused stock, ETFs, and startups can provide excellent returns. AI is not just a trend, it is the future. Companies like Nvidia, Tesla, and Google are already leading the way. And many new startups are entering the market. Dividend stock for passive income. If you want to earn passive income, dividend stock are a great option. These stocks pay regular dividends, allowing you to make money even when the market is down. Look for well established companies with a history of paying dividends. Some of the best sectors for dividend investing include healthcare, consumer good, and utilities. Investing in gold and silver. Precious metal like gold and silver have always been a safe haven investment. During times of economic uncertainty, these assets tend to perform well. In 2025, investing in gold and silver can provide a stability to your portfolio. You can buy physical gold, invest in gold ETF, or even look into mining stocks. Bond and fixed income investment. For those looking for lower risk investment, bond and fixed income securities are a great option. Government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds provide a steady returns with minimum risk. Well, they may not offer the highest returns. They help balance your portfolio and protect you from market volatility. Building a diversified portfolio. The key to successful investment is diversification. Instead of putting all your money in one asset, spread your investment across different sectors. A well diversified portfolio should include a stock, real estate, crypto bonds, and other assets. Diversification reduces risk and increase the chance of long-term success. Long-term versus short-term investment. Some investment require patience, while others can generate quick profit. Long-term investment focus on building wealth over time, while short-term investment looks for quick gains. If you have a long-term mindset, investing in index fund, real estate, and retirement accounts is a great strategy. For short-term gains, you can look into trading a stock, option, and cryptocurrency. The best investment strategy for 2025 depends on your financial goal and risk tolerance. Whether you invest in a stock, real estate, crypto, or other asset, the key is to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and be patient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more investment tips. Let me know in the comment what your favorite investment strategy is for 2025.